This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. Pet-friendly 1-1 apartment near UF ready for move-in. Centrally located in Madison Manor, this charming 1-bedroom/1-bath unit features a built-in microwave over gas range, screened porch, and laundry facilities on the premises. Rent includes water, sewer, lawn care, pest control, and trash collection. While on the bus route, this unit is also walking distance to UF Health and the VA Hospital, the University of Florida, and restaurants. Call today to schedule a showing. $60 application fee per person over the age of 18. $60 guarantor fee, if applicable. $250 leasing fee, due at time of lease signing. $300 non-refundable pet fee, per pet, per year. Breed restrictions apply. For more information, review the details below.